Hi everyone, this is Colleen with BA Schrock Financial Group. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy at this point. I wanted to provide you with a little update when it comes to the CARES Act that was recently passed to help the U.S. economy during this difficult time. One of the major changes that came out of this act was how we pay on our student loans. And these are for federally held student loans and not private student loans. We believe this is important to get right because it is one of the largest debts that a lot of individuals will carry throughout their lifetime, in addition to mortgages and autos. This year, between federal and private loans, the debt level has reached over $300 billion. And I thought it was an important topic to really inform you on at this point because there is so much conflicting information out there on the internet, and many of our clients have student loans or know someone who has a student loan that this information can be helpful for during this time. With the passage of the CARES Act, the following has changed. The following changes have been made for federal student loans. And again, this act does not apply to private loans or Perkin loans at this point in time. The government reduced all interest on federally held student loans to 0% until September 30th. They then suspended all payments on federal student loans from March 13th to September 30th. So if you had a payment that was drafted or that you paid after March 13th, you're actually entitled to a refund and you have to call your loan servicer. The $0 payment on your student loan still counts towards loan forgiveness, whether you're working towards a public student loan forgiveness or an income-driven repayment plan forgiveness. If you're an individual working towards, the two different types of forgivenesses, please do not pay on your student loans. You can use the monthly savings to pay off some high-interest debt or to build an emergency fund. If you are one of the lucky ones to still be employed and your goal was, to still pay down to pay down your federal loans faster, I would suggest that you continue making your payments, as you will be paying more towards your principal really at this point in time. If you work in an industry that qualifies for public student loan forgiveness, but are not on an income-driven repayment plan, this may be a time to switch your strategy. As always, we are here to help. Feel free to reach out. We can always schedule a web meeting to discuss your situation in more detail. For those of you that are paying on your student loans, it is very important that we review your strategy to kind of make sure that you're on the right path going forward.